Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I have a really weird question. I was on YouTube just playing videos, and all of a sudden, I went to a video that wouldn't play. And now the videos on my channel play, but every other video on YouTube has no sound. And I don't know why, and I didn't click anything. I was just like on the search box typing in different stuff, um, but like everything I type in, nothing plays. The videos load, but I've got no sound. So like if I go to
Safari 6.
here,
9 HD volume. Safari top sites window toolbar.
we're gonna go to
Open location.
YouTube,
Unhighlighted. Insertion at end of text.
and we're gonna type in Harper Still Taylor
Harper.
Swift
Space.
Harper. Harper Still is Jamie Grace Harper and her sister Morgan Harper Nichols.
Links 111 items.
And most people know Jamie Grace Harper as just Jamie Grace.
Thumbnail Joe Mo Show. Thumbnail Joe Mo Show.
Singer.
111 items. YouTube. 33 items. Harper Still.
But they sing together as Harper Still.
Harper Still. Harper Still. Harper Still. Harper sings. Harper Still. I knew you were trouble. Taylor Swift covered by Harper Still.
So here's Taylor Swift by Harper Still.
I knew you were trouble. Taylor Swift covered by Harper Still. List 3 items level 2. Heading level 3 link. I knew you were. Press link.
I'm clicking on it. And nothing's playing. And I have played this video before. I played this video like many times. So that's not playing at all. Like nothing's playing. So now let me try.
Links 30 items. 11 items. Harper Still. Harper Still. 403. Use somebody. Kings of Leon covered by James Grace Feed. Morgan Harper Nichols. Day 714 by James Grace featured 30,320. 2. 24. Boondocks. Little Big Town Cup. 1. 42. Harper Still wants to hear your story. I'll be home. 6. 41. Reintroducing Harper Still. Jane. 4. 52. Never let go. For everyone in Haiti. And we love one bear. Matt Rip. 3. 29. Lay 'em down. Need to be covered by Harper Still. Remix section.
Laying Down, Need to Breathe by Harper Still. That's not playing.
Links 38 items. 2 items. 403. Use somebody. Kings of Leon covered by Jamie Grace Feed. 6. 41. Reintroducing Harper Still. 74 items. 22 items. 403. Use somebody. Kings of 4. 37. Background. Let Grace Feed covered by Jamie Grace. And Jason by Jamie Grace 60,400.
Here's a video by Jamie Grace singing background. I've got no sound.
Open location. UP.
Now I'll try.
Busy. 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 Search text field. Safari. Ready. Search text field.
Need to breathe.
Space. Misspelled. Need to breathe. A.
Oh,
C. O. F. T. I. C. Space. K. A. Space. O. U. R. Space. Your.
Eyes
Space. A. N. Links 107 items. 23 items. Need to read. Keep your eyes open. Acoustic with lyrics. Press.
I clicked on it.
Link. Guide button.
I have no sound. And I can pull up something that I watched even last night. Let me do.
U. B. O. M. Unhighlighted. Insertion at end of text.
What did I watch last night? I watched a bunch of movies.
Search text field.
What did I watch? I'm thinking, I don't know. What did I watch? Fudge. I'm thinking, some of the movies I watched are gonna be really hard to find. What did I watch? I watched a bunch of Lifetime movies. Gosh, I'm thinking, trying to think of something I've watched, recently. Let's see, I've watched, what could I have watched,
Links 540 items. 15 items. History.
What a history.
Press link. History. Safari busy. Busy. Links 297 items. Watch late. Add 13 items. Like thumbnail Padra all. Thumbnail 1. Walmart. Trust movie part 2. MS Webnet. Thumbnail 10. 34. Trustful movie online. Robin Thicke. Blurred lines. Thumbnail 5. 34. What's going on in Venezuela in 5 minutes? Skip the crew. How to identify and the what the https://iTunes. Does it all quiet? Robin Thicke. Blurred lines. The crew. Thumbnail 41. 40. Undercover Boss US. S04009. Boston Market.
This I watched.
Press.
I love Undercover Boss. It's like the most amazing thing ever. If you haven't seen Undercover Boss, I love it. I started watching it right after I started working. I think that's when it started, or when I noticed it, because I didn't know it was on before. And it's amazing. I love it. Now see that none of these videos have any sound.
Link. Upload.
And I'm clicking on the videos, and they're showing.
Settings. Button. Search text
I
field.
don't get it.
Heading level 1.
But if I go to
Boss
my
US.
own
Open location.
channel.
period. M/com/CAN. Unhighlighted. Insertion of end of text.
This is me.
Sarah Hansen,
I'm on my page.
Links. 94 items. 7 items. 94. 3 items. Latest on site. And what's up with my Mac?
And this plays. This is me talking about Saeed Abedini, who is still in prison.
Link. Latest on site. And what's up with Stop recording. Mac. Frown. But latest on.
My computer's having issues, so I don't know if this is.
Close window.
Anyways,
Finder.
that
Desktop,
was
Mac.html
me
volume.
talking about
QuickTime Player.
Saeed and
QuickTime
listening
Player.
to Jamie Grace and Morgan Harper Nichols before that CD came out. But anyways, whatever. Yeah. So my videos have sound, but nothing else is playing, and it just randomly stopped. I don't know what happened. I didn't click any buttons. I don't even know where the freaking player is to like change anything, because it doesn't show the player anymore. But I was just watching like different videos, like Jamie Grace videos and Need to Breathe and stuff, and all of a sudden like everything stopped playing. Just I clicked on a video, it had no sound, and then it kept going. So I don't know what's going on, but I have no sound when I play YouTube vids. It just randomly happens. If anybody knows how to fix it, I'm wondering if something happened with my Flash. I know Mac doesn't really use Flash, but I know YouTube does. I don't know. And I don't know how to update that, but I don't know what happened. If anybody knows, that'd be cool. I might try the mobile YouTube and see if I can get something to play, but it doesn't make sense because I have sound. My videos play, and I know other stuff will play. I know my iTunes will play. Let me try.
Finder. Desktop. Mac.html volume. Documents folder 22 of 24.
Hold on, I'm gonna try playing. Oceans.
15 minutes for a quote.
Downloads folder 20. Documents folder 22 of 24.
Minutes could save you on car insurance. Welcome to the modern world. E-insurance.
Oh no.
Safari 6 of 24.
Go this way.
Desktop. Mac.html volume. Mac.html volume. Open. Now in Mac.html.
There.
6 rows added. Row 7. Users folder. Expand. 27 rows added. 575 rows added. Desktop folder. Expanded disclosure truck. Row 500. Desktop folder. Documents folder. About stacks multilingual. Comfort and joy. About documents folder. Expanded. About. Go tell it on the mount. Ocean dash
Okay.
menu. 17 items. Open. Open with submenu. Open. Open with Audacity.app. QuickTime Player.app. VLC.app. App Store. Ellipsis. VLC.app.
I know this isn't supposed to be VLC, but I'm using VLC because I'm using QuickTime to record. I know that's not a video. I'm just using VLC to play this video, this audio recording of Morgan Harper Nichols singing Oceans. That's louder than my iPhone. I'm officially jealous. It's the same song, but on my iPhone it's not as loud. Anyways. Amazingness. Okay, anyways. Whoa.
Finder. Mac.html window. List view table.
Anyways.
Now in desktop. Mac.html volume. QuickTime Player. Movie recording.
Still have a cough. So I have sound. I don't understand what's going on. It's not like my Mac is totally void of sound. And I tried to restart too. I completely restarted my whole Mac. I don't know what happened. But I can't play YouTube vids for some reason. If anybody knows how to appreciate it, remember I'm blind, I use the keyboard. So don't tell me to click on anything because I won't be clicking. So if anyone knows how to appreciate it, have a good rest of your night, and I will talk to you later. Please help me because I don't know how to fix this.